3 easy steps are all you need for this. First, get your phone. Second, go to YouTube and watch a video. Third, get paid in real money and have it deposited directly into your account. People all over the world are being paid consistently, and the beauty of it is that it's entirely free. You don't have to spend any money on it, and you can also do it from anywhere in the world. Curious to know exactly how it's done? Then stick around till the end, because today I will teach you how to earn some extra cash just by watching YouTube Shorts. But before we continue, please take a moment to give this video a like. Also, subscribing would be amazing. Now, with that out of the way, let's get started. First of all, open your browser and go to followfast.com. This site allows you to earn money online just by watching videos. You can look at the recent withdrawal history, where you will see people from all over the world cashing out in real money every day. The site is transparent in showing you how much money is actually cashed out. If you take a closer look, you will find out that people from all over the world are cashing out into their bank accounts, their PayPal accounts, or any other payment option that they prefer. Once you're on the home page, click on the Join button and it will take you to another page where you can register. Remember, registration is free, so you won't have to pay a dime to get started. So start by filling in your username, email address, and password. You will need to confirm your password again. Your location should be filled in automatically depending on where you are, so there's no need to worry about that. And finally, you'll need to fill in the silly CAPTCHA. You know, that quiz that somehow proves you're not a robot. Once you're done with the details, click on the Join button below. You should note that you can do this from either your phone or your computer, depending on which one is more comfortable. Once you're logged in, you will be redirected to the home page. If you look at the top, you will find that your account is not yet verified. To be able to cash out, you will need to confirm your email address. To do this, you will simply click on the link at the top. That will take you to another page where you must verify your email address, type in the CAPTCHA, and finally click the Confirm button. After you're done with that, you'll go back to the dashboard's main page and see a YouTube icon. Make sure you click on the red button that says Play. It will take you to another page where you will be given videos to watch and earn money online. If you were to scroll down, you would see lots of videos. The first tip I'll give you is that you'll need to watch the videos on YouTube for at least 35 seconds to gain the points. Once you get these points, you can later exchange them for money. So, as you can see, we have a video that will give you 9 points. All you have to do is click on the blue play button and it will redirect you to the YouTube video. If you return to the previous page, you will notice that it's started counting down from, you guessed it, 35 seconds. Once this countdown gets to 0, you will receive your 9 points. So basically, you don't have to watch the videos. Once the 35 seconds are over, you can just close it and move on to the next one. So once the video starts playing, you can go back and wait for the countdown to end and claim your 9 points. Immediately after the countdown is over, you can simply go back and click on the following video. As you can see, that will take you to another YouTube video. Another trick is that you can pause the video. Even if you pause the video, it will still continue counting down. And once the countdown is over, you get your points, and then you move on to the next one. As with the previous one, your points are immediately added to your account balance once the countdown is over. This whole process is actually relatively straightforward. There is also no limit on how many videos you can watch. This means that you can watch as many as you possibly can. They will also keep updating the videos, so you won't find yourself out of videos to watch. You have to keep pressing play, wait for the countdown, and then move on to the next. Easy, right? Well, now I'll show you another method for doubling, tripling, or quadrupling your money. If you watch one video, you can open another tab on your phone or computer and watch another video. So if both videos are 9 points each, you get 18 points for the same amount of time as one video. You can watch both videos simultaneously, meaning that you don't really have to waste your time watching one video for 35 seconds before you can move on to the next. Instead, you can open as many tabs as you like and manage as many videos as you possibly can, all at the same time. Basically, you can just open a new tab on one video and click the play button. Then open another tab and watch a second video by clicking on the play button. Both videos will start counting down as soon as they start playing. And once they're done, all the points from both videos are added to your balance. Pretty slick, right? I mean, you even have the freedom to watch 5, 10, or even 20 videos simultaneously. And as we all know by now, the more videos you watch, the more money you get. And with this technique, you can make even more money than everyone waiting for one video to end before they move to the next. Once the countdown is over, you will see the points reflected immediately in your account balance. So, if you were to watch about 5 videos of 9 points each, you would see 45 points added instantly to your balance. This is a pretty weird hack to help you earn money, but watching 10 to 20 videos simultaneously still isn't that hard. Another neat trick is going to the YouTube gear setting and making the video play faster. You can change the playback speed from standard to double. This will play the video at double the rate, which means you can watch even more videos and in turn will make you money twice as fast. And now I'm going to show you my last trick, mainly for those with slower internet connections. As you can see, the video quality is automatic. However, if you change this to 144p, you will be on the lowest video quality, which will give you a chance to watch a lot of videos. It will save you time and your mobile phone data. The site offers you a daily bonus collected by clicking the daily bonus button on top. This will take you to a page where you can manage daily and sometimes even hourly bonus points. You can even get points by just logging in. By simply logging into your account each day and watching 15 videos, you can earn 100 points. That's a good bit of points. Apart from the daily bonus, you can also get an hourly bonus of 25 points every hour by simply watching 3 videos. Now, to claim your points, just click on the Cash Out button. That will take you to a separate page where you can choose your preferred payment method to cash out your money. There are quite a few options, the most notable ones being PayPal, Perfect Money, or Bitcoin. But suppose you can't access these payment options for one reason or another. In that case, you can always cash out by trading the points into money and just cashing them out. The minimum amount to cash out is $1.50. So once you get this, you can just cash out and the money will be sent to your account. Plus, it only takes about 3 to 5 business days for the money to land in your account. And that's all you need to do to earn money from watching YouTube Shorts. You can try it out and see if it works for you. Which part of the video did you find the most interesting? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. As always, thanks for watching!